One of the things that makes Hawaii unique is the isolation. The fact that they are small islands too is part of the threat. Hawaii is one of the extinction capitals of the world, probably the extinction capital of the world. I'm Steve Perlman. I am a field botanist for the National Tropical Botanical Gardens on Kauai. And I work and specialize in endangered plants, and so have been doing this work now for over 40 years. There are only about 1,200 species of plants here, and at least half of our species are threatened or endangered. It looks like one ripe fruit and several immatures inside. We had to form this program called the Plant Extinction Prevention Program, because already 100 of our species in Hawaii had gone extinct. We've been collecting this plant now for at least 4 years. We've been coming up here, and the seeds are good. They germinate. We really want to get good genetic representation from every individual that we can find of these rare plants. So when we find the plants, we want to collect seed. That it's got a lot of seed inside, multiple seeds in there. We tag them, we number them, we monitor them regularly. I have witnessed myself about 15 species die out just from my years, and most of those were over the last 20 years. They've just become like friends. She's doing good today. When you see them, you'll go and see a plant for 20 years, and then you come back and it's dead. It is like losing a family member or a friend. The Division of Forestry and Wildlife is hoping to build a fence around the Awapuhi Valley area, and so before that fence goes up, we'd like to see if some of those rare plants are still there. I want to check a plant called Plantago princeps that I can see. We can't really get to that one unless we're roped in. We've had a lot of things come in that threaten our native plants. Over the years, they've introduced sheep, cattle, goats, and then add to that diseases of plants that have come in. So I'm going to have to be a little bit careful. It is Plantago princeps variety anomala, which is only known from the island of Kauai. What's come later, though, is just an onslaught of weeds from all over the world, thousands of weeds. This is a weedy plant coming in behind it, Americafaya. So I'm going to break that branch. If we could tell you that, like one of the plants found, might be used for cancer or AIDS, then everybody would say, oh, well, then let's save them. But if these plants go extinct, we're never going to be able to even test them. But the main reason that I like them, and maybe it's a little esoteric to some people, is just because they're there is enough for me. I hate to use cliches like the plague, but extinction is forever. They're part of the species of this planet, of these islands, and they evolved here and deserve to be here. Checking for fruit. Here's where we go. Hoping that the future of this planet has people who are much more caring than some of the people I've met who couldn't care less if these things go. So maybe it's for a brighter future.